Good morning. It is Sunday, June 14th. I woke up, it was a beautiful day outside, so Greg and I decided that we would go on a hike today. Now, we are searching for hikes that we think won't be as packed just because of social distancing due to COVID, but we're kind of just staying close since it is a weekend day, so we don't drive too far and then it's packed and then we have to turn back or whatever. So we decided to go on a hike. It's 25 minutes away in Freeport, so wish us luck. Hopefully it's not super packed, and yeah, taking you guys along with me. So first I just want to show you guys what I take when I usually hike. I've never vlogged a hike before, so this is kind of like my first one. The birdie's like competing with me on sound. I don't know, this might turn out good or bad. You'll know if it turns out okay if you see it on my channel. I'll show you guys what I take on a hike usually. Here we go. So this is the bag that I take hiking. It's a backpack. It's super comfy on the back. It has cushions on the straps. I've had it for about 3 or 4 years. It's by Langley, and it has a really cool insert that you can take in or out. So this guy, if you just want all the space, or if you want to put the insert in, and you can adjust the straps. They're Velcro for whatever you want to fit in there. My Sony A7 III. I have this little strap attached so that I can carry it like so. But I also take along with me this strap, and it has a little handle. You can see it, yep. So you can just hook it up onto here and tighten it, and now you have a strap. But if I want to take it off, it's super easy. You just unscrew it again and take it off, and now you don't have a strap. Easy. My drum. Batteries are charging right now, but I usually take 3 batteries with me. Obviously, the remote, my GoPro. Trusty little GoPro. And that's it. You wanna go hiking? Yeah, yeah. So we just did a really cute short hike called Hedgehog Mountain, and I guess we didn't feel like it was enough because we're about to head up another place in Freeport. It's called Bradbury. We've done it a ton of times and it has a really pretty summit, so that'll be a nice view at the top.